quick question. Have you ever taken a break and then suddenly lost all your discipline? No motivation, no focus, no desire to work? That actually happened to me recently. After taking a long break, my brain got used to comfort mode, and getting back into work mode felt almost impossible. But I fixed it using 3 simple steps that can help you regain discipline fast. Step 1. Pause before you attack. Most people try to fix their life overnight. Tomorrow I'll wake up at 5 a.m. Tomorrow I'll quit social media. Tomorrow I'll be fully disciplined. But discipline doesn't start with action. It starts with clarity. Ask yourself 3 questions. What do I want to be disciplined about? What habits are holding me back? And what is the simplest way to start? Once you have clarity, then attack. Step 2. Win the morning battle. Every morning, your mind will try to negotiate. Sleep a little longer. Check your phone first. Start later. If you lose that battle, you lose the day. So start your day with the hardest task first. This is called the eat that frog technique. One early win creates momentum for the entire day. Step 3. Fix your environment. Discipline is not just willpower, it's environment. If distractions are everywhere, discipline becomes difficult. Use habit trackers, sticky notes, or a simple progress chart, because what gets measured gets improved. Remember this: discipline is not punishment. It's freedom. The more control you build over yourself, the more control you gain over your life. Start with one disciplined action today, and everything else will follow.